Welcome to the farm. It's Barry, aka Bartender Barry, and I'm here at Botanicals, and today I'm going to show you how to make my Kickback Margarita. When most people think of margaritas, they think of them as a party drink, but with some pretty cool and just really great quality ingredients here at Botanicals, I'm going to show you how to make a margarita that you can have as a nightcap, just to chill out and have really relaxing evening. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to take an old-fashioned glass and we're going to go ahead and salt the rim or salt the glass, which I prefer to have one side of the glass salted. So you just want to take a lime wedge and you just want to rub it across the side of the glass like this. So I'm just going to sprinkle some salt on the side of the rim. Not too much, but just enough. So we have a nice, pretty Himalayan salted rim. I'm going to set that to the side and just let it hang out. And we're going to get into it and make our drink. So you definitely need a cocktail shaker to make any margarita. And the first thing that we're going to add to our shaker, we're going to add some tequila, which is essential for a margarita, obviously. So we're going to go ahead and add 1.5 ounces of tequila into our jigger. And then we're going to add it directly into our cocktail shaker. Next up, we're going to add 3/4 ounce of Botanicals Ashwagandha syrup. And not only is it delicious, but again, like all of their products here, it's really good for you. So ashwagandha, if you're not aware, helps to relieve stress, but also helps to reduce inflammation throughout the body. So again, I'm going to add in 3/4 ounce of the syrup. Then next up, Botanicals ginger extract. Ginger is really amazing for digestion. I'm going to add 1 full dropper into our cocktail shaker. Next up, I'm going to add in 1 full dropper of Botanicals turmeric extract. And turmeric, believe it or not, also helps with reducing inflammation. So again, it's going to go really well with the ashwagandha syrup. Next up, I'm going to add in 1 ounce of fresh grapefruit juice. And grapefruit juice is full of vitamin C and other antioxidants, so it's going to really help with your mood. If you had a rough day, we're go home and make this drink. And then we're also going to go ahead and add in 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. So we're going to add that directly into our shaker. All right, so before I add ice to my shaker, I'm going to add ice to my glass. So I'm just going to want to fill the glass all the way up with ice. All right, so now that we have our ice in our glass, I'm going to add ice to our shaker. And with a margarita, you definitely want to give it a good shake because we have a ton of different ingredients in here, and you want to make sure that everything is completely emulsified so that you get a really great consistent drink. So give this a good shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. So now that our drink is shaken, I am going to strain the cocktail into the glass, and it's going to have a really beautiful hue. And as you can see, you get a full glass of your drink. And then in addition to the salt garnish, I'm just going to drop the lime wedge right on top. So here we go. Here is the Kickback Margarita. Cheers.